Welcome to the Golf Spotlight. I'm Ralph Irvin, and today we are talking about the latest irons from the folks at Mizuno. These are Buttes, and they are designed for those better players out there, so pay attention. As I'm joined by Chris Voschel, he is the product marketing manager for Mizuno. Chris, thanks for joining us again.
I'm so excited to be here and talk to you about this new product.
Well, and the JPX919 Hot Metal Pro is brand new, and it's taking something that's been very successful for your average players and now bringing it to the better players.
That's exactly right. So with the JPX919 Hot Metal, and even going back to the JPX900 Hot Metal, with our chromoly material, we're able to generate extreme ball speeds by going very thin, but still keep it very malleable and bendable so you can get it custom fit for you. The beautiful thing about that is that's always been a technology for those extreme ball speeds and those high CORs that have typically lived and been paired with a lot of offset, thick top line, thick sole, a lot of the things that turn off the better player, the more accomplished player. So with the JPX919 Hot Metal Pro, we took all those barriers out. All the same distance generating technologies. The chromoly material, our unitized one-piece cup face design, deep center of gravity, but at the same time we did that in a package that looks the part. Thin top line, less offset, shorter blade length, all those things is going to make a better player drool.
And of course, when you're talking about an iron coming from Mizuno, everyone's wondering about the feel of the club.
They say nothing feels like a Mizuno for a reason, and there's an absolute reason for that, and that still holds true with the JPX919 Hot Metal Pro. We really work to dial in with what we call our harmonic impact technology to make sure this still feels like a Mizuno. It's cool because some of the things we did to actually dial that in are actually visible on the club. You can look underneath the top line, you can actually see sound ribs, similar like you'd see in a driver. What those sound ribs are going to do is it's going to make sure that even though we thinned out that area, it's not going to sound thin, it's not going to sound clicky, it's going to sound powerful, it's going to sound strong, it's going to sound solid.
And of course, the contact's going to be solid because you've designed it to not only be powerful, but forgiving.
You're exactly right. And that's where the Hot Metal Pro really stands out, is for a club this size, the moment of inertia is massive. So the forgiveness, the off-center ball speeds, the off-center straightness is going to be really good.
Now, if people want information on, well, all the irons from Mizuno, where do they go?
Please check out www.mizunousa.com. I don't know if people say www anymore, but check it out. That's got all the information on the entire Mizuno line.
All right, Chris, thanks for taking the time to join us.
Absolutely, thank you.
I want to thank Chris Voschel for joining us here on the Golf Spotlight. Join us next time as we continue to give you the information that you need for your next golf purchase.